6 I was about 16. Young kid, maybe 6 or 7 in front of me in church turns around, stares for 3 seconds, states, "You got a lot of pimples." Turns back around. He was not wrong. 7. I was standing with my 2 fat friends in grocery store. We are all fat. Kid comes around the corner in cart pushed by mom and exclaims, "Mommy, those guys are fat." Mom looks us over and nods in approval. No fucks given. 8. Are you having a baby or just fat? I'm male. 9. Why do you have little volcanoes on your face? Fuck you, you little fuck. 10. Daddy, why do you have so many wives? My 3-year-old Disney princess movie obsessed daughter said to me. I was a single 20 years old dad with full custody, so naturally she saw me go through a few different girlfriends. That was the moment I decided things were gonna change.